Hi there, welcome to my channel Freelance Rahul. I'm Rahul Mondal, expert in Google Analytics 4 setup, e-commerce tracking, server-side tracking, Facebook conversion API setup, and all the social media tracking. So if you are looking for all of this service, must knock me on my WhatsApp and you can call me. So let's get started. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can set up GA4 and track enhanced e-commerce and set up enhanced e-commerce, how you can track all the recommended events like view item, add to cart, begin checkout and purchase. So the very first thing is you have to create a Google Tag Manager, and I am showing you in WordPress website. So you have to have the access of the backend of your WordPress to connect your GTM account with WordPress. So the first thing is you have to connect your GTM account with WordPress. So to do that, there are different ways. One is to paste the GTM code in the head of the website, and the second is using a plugin. Using plugin will be the best, and most of the people use this plugin. The plugin name is GTM for WP. So let me add this plugin. So click on add a new plugin and then search GTM for WP. So this plugin by Thomas Geiger, install now, install it and activate it. So after install and activating, go to the install plugin. Now you can see in this plugin, just click on this setting option, and now what you have to do, you have to paste the Google Tag Manager ID. So you just have to go to your Google Tag Manager which you have created for your business, then click on the GTM ID, then copy it from here. So copy it exactly and go to the backend and paste here. Now just save. So it has been saved, but you can see the container code is you have to keep in mind that this should be on. So just make it on and then again click on save changes. So now the Google Tag Manager and your website has been connected. So then the next thing is you have to configure GA4. You have to connect the GA4 with your website through Google Tag Manager, and that's why you have to create tags, configuration tags. So let's create a configuration tag for connecting GA4 and website through Google Tag Manager. So click on new. You have to create a Google tag. This is a Google tag type is Google tag, and then the tag ID. Tag ID means the measurement ID of your GA4 property. So you have to create a GA4 account and property for a business. Then if you go to the data stream, you will get the measurement ID. So how you can get the data stream, just click on the admin option, and then on the property, if you click on the property, at the right side you can see there is a property, and under data collection and modification you will see the data stream. So click on data stream and then click here, and then you will get the measurement ID. So copy the measurement ID, then go here. So you can paste it here, or I will do one thing, we have to paste it again and again. That's why I will make a variable, constant variable, so that we don't need to paste it again and again. And then we'll give it a name, GA4 measurement ID, GA4 measurement ID. And now save this. After that you have to configure settings. Here you have to add on variable, and that is send page view, and this will be true. So save this, it will take the name automatically. After that you have to select the all page, because this will fire in all page. So you can give it a name, or by default it will take a name Google tag. So now your Google Analytics 4 and your website has been connected. Now the next thing is you have to set up the view item tag, add to cart tag, begin checkout and purchase tag to see all the data of your website, so that you can analyze better in GA4. So before that you have to connect it to the preview mode to see the data of your view item, add to cart and begin checkout. Now go to any product. This is the product page. You can see this is the product page. So now I will check here. You can see there is no data of view item product page. So what you have to do, you have to enable the data layer first. You can enable the data layer from the backend through that plugin, the plugin which just installed. So go to install plugin and find out the GTM for WP plugin and go to this setting, and then you can see there is an integration option. Click on this integration, then click on this Ecommerce and check this box. Track e-commerce, then cart content in data layer, then customer data, order data. Remove this cart content, we don't need that. We need the customer data in data layer, and we need the track e-commerce and order data, and sometimes cart content data layer if you want to send the coupons. So these four box you have to check. After that just save changes. So now the data layer has been enabled. Let's see whether it has been enabled or not. Just connect to the preview mode again, and then we'll go to the product page. You can see there's a view item for particular product page. So how we can set up view item, add to cart, begin checkout and purchase event properly, accurately. So to set up it properly and accurately, you have to follow Google Documents. So where to get the documents, just search on the Google GA4 recommended events, then you will get the first link. Click on the first link, and then if you scroll down you can see there are lots of events. So if you want to see particular events, suppose now we are going to check this view item. So you can see in view item there are 3 parameters, and the type of that parameters will be currency will be string, value will be number, and items will be array. And you can see here you can read it to understand it better. So let's start. Let's create a tag for view item. Click on GA4 event, then select the measurement ID, and then paste the event name, copy the event name, and go to Google Tag Manager, paste it, and then there are 3 parameters, event parameters you have to add. One is currency. First is currency, then value, then so let's copy the value. After that copy items. So now the next thing is we have to add the value here. So click on the plus icon, click on the plus icon on the right side, and then select this data layer variable. The variable type is data layer variable. So to send the currency, you have to know the data layer of view item. You can see this is the currency, and this currency is under this e-commerce. So we have to take like this e-commerce, dot currency, copy the currency and paste here. Now give it a name, ECOM, e-commerce currency, CORRENCY, currency. Save this. Then the next thing is value. So click on this plus icon, then again click on this built-in plus icon, and then click on the variable configuration and select a data layer variable. Now again go to that view item data layer. You can see this is the data layer. So just select the e-commerce. Now I want to take the value. So everything is under e-commerce. So if I want to take the value, just take the value from here, then go there and just paste here. Now this will be, this name is ecom value. Now save this. The value has been added, and the next thing is items. So according to GA4 rules, this will be currency will be string and value will be number. So let's check. Currency is string. String means if anything is covered by double inverted comma, then that is called string, and if there is no double inverted, that is called number. So value is in already number and the currency is in string. So this follows the Google rules. So let's set up the items. So if you want to take the items, we have to take the e-commerce, then these items, then we will get this all. So take the e-commerce first. So click on the plus icon, then you have to take a variable first, data layer variable, and then put the e-commerce dot items. Now give the name ecom items. Save this. Now we have to add trigger. The trigger is as we are configuring view item tag, so we have to take the trigger. This is in custom event. You can see view item and the event name is view item. So copy it from here, copy here, go to the Google Tag Manager, click on the plus icon, and then this is in custom event, click on custom event and paste the view item and give it a name view item. View item trigger. Now the view item tag has been created already. Just give it a name GA4 view item tag. Now save this. So the next tag is add to cart. So click on new. Again the process is same. Click on Google Analytics, then GA4 event, then select the measurement ID and then the event name. Just go to the recommended events here and find out the add to cart. Click on the add to cart here, copy this add to cart, go to Google Tag Manager, then paste it and type the copy and paste the 3 parameters. Also add to cart, you have to send 3 parameters. Just copy and paste. Value, go there, copy it. Then the next thing is items, copy this and paste this. Now I have to add the currency. So the currency is actually same for add to cart, because if you check the data layer, let me show you. Click on add to cart. This is an add to cart, and if you go to the data layer here, you can see the add to cart is same. data layer is same. You can see this is e-commerce and the item is golden bag with chain. Go here, you can see golden bag with chain, the first item, and you can take like this. So the data layer will be same for add to cart. Okay, so go here, I have selected the e-commerce currency and then the value. Select the com value and items. Select the e-commerce items, and then the next thing you have to add the trigger. So for trigger, go to the debug mode and copy this event name and go here and then click on the plus icon and select the custom event and paste the trigger, paste the event name, give it a name, add to the trigger. GA4 add to the tag. Save this. So now the next thing is begin checkout. So the process is same. Select the measurement ID, begin checkout, copy the begin checkout. Now you have to add the event parameters. So in begin checkout there are 4 event parameters, but if you don't have coupon, but don't have the coupon, then you can leave that. Currency, value, and then the items. So we have to check the data layer of begin checkout now. So go to view card and then click on the proceed to checkout. Now we will check the begin checkout data layer. This is the begin checkout. Select the begin checkout, then go to data layer, and you can see this is the begin checkout data. There are 3 items, and if you check, there are 3 items. I have added 3. 1, 2, 3. So you can see also this item has been 3 times I have added, and this is 2 times, and this is 1 time. So the data layer is like the same. So we just have to add the variable currency in place. Just add the currency, just add the value, then add the items. Okay, that's it. If you have the coupon in your data layer, you can see there is no coupon. You can see if you have the coupon, then you can add coupon also. So then you have to add the trigger. Click on the plus icon, then custom event, and go to the debug mode and scroll off, and the event name is begin checkout. Copy it and paste it, then give this name and save this. So begin checkout tag has been completed. GA4 now save this. Now the next is purchase. So click on the new, and again the process is same. Just take the measurement ID, and the event name will be, so I will make a purchase now. Place order. So you can see there will be a purchase event. So you have to check the data layer of purchase. You can see So first of all, go to the recommended events in Google Analytics. This is a document of Google Analytics, and now find out the patches here. This is the patches, and you can see these are the parameters that you have to send. So copy one by one currency. So give the event name also. Event name is patches. Now add the parameters one by one. So I will copy and paste the parameter one by one from here. Then the value, go here, paste the value, and then the transaction ID, then coupon. If you have the coupon, you will add, otherwise you can remove that. Then the shipping, after the tax, shipping, tax, and the next thing is items. So I will add all this parameter one by one. So let's check the data layer. If you see, the currency data layer of currency is the same. We have already created this variable, and the value is also same, e-commerce dot value, and items is also same. So we will add these three parameters one by one. We don't have to create it again. E-commerce currency, then e-commerce value, then e-commerce items. E-commerce items. So after that, you have to add the transaction ID, coupon, shipping, and tax. Let's see whether this data layer is here or not. You can see there is no coupon, but you can add this. So we will first take the transaction ID. So if you want to take the transaction ID, you have to take like this, e-commerce dot transaction ID. So go here and just click on the plus icon, build in. The process is same. Select the data layer variable and select the ecom, then dot, then select the transaction ID. Go there and select the transaction ID, and now we'll give it a name, transaction ID. Then the coupon. So the coupon is the same. Just take a variable, data layer variable, then go to the data layer, e-commerce dot tax. So this is a coupon. Okay, no problem. We just copy and paste here tax, and now we'll add the coupon also. We can do one thing, let's add it manually. E-commerce dot coupon. So this is a coupon, just give it a name. Now coupon has been added. So now the next thing is shipping. So we have to add the shipping. So we'll give it a name. Just save this. Now it has been done. So we will add a trigger at the end. So just go to the debug mode and scroll up. You will see the event name is purchase. Copy this purchase and go there, select the custom event and paste the purchase here, purchase trigger. Save this. Now the purchase tag for GA4 has been completed. Now give it a name, GA4 purchase tag. Now we will test whether the event is working properly or not, whether the event which I have set up is properly going to GA4 or not. So before testing you have to submit and publish. Then after submitting and publish, you have to connect to the preview mode again. Just click on the preview mode, it will be connected again, and open your GA4 account as well as in the next tab. After that, go to click on the admin and then click on this data display. Under data display you will find the debug view. Click on this debug view. You will see the data is already collecting. So let's check the view item first. You can see the page view already is firing. Page view. So let's check the view item. Click on any product, view item, then do add to cart. The product name is anchor bracelet. Okay, view card and then proceed to checkout. Then I will do a purchase. So now I will check one by one all the events, whether the events are showing correctly or not. So let's see, view item. So view item, this is the view item and the product title is anchor bracelet, and the value you can see 10. If you check here, the value is 10, this is right. And the next thing is add to cart. So you can see the add to cart also it is firing, and you can check the currency also. The currency is okay and the value is okay. So after that, the next thing is begin checkout. You can see begin checkout is also firing, and the value also you can check the value. Also you can check the items here and currency. And the next thing is purchase. So purchase is also firing, and this is everything is correct. You can see the transaction ID, tax, everything is recording. So this is how I set up GA4 and I set up enhanced e-commerce tracking through Google Tag Manager. So if you like the video, subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching my video.